In this video, we will be discussing how a multisensory approach to learning and studying can improve student success. Over hundreds of thousands of years, humans evolved to be excellent multisensory learners as their survival depended on it. The prehistoric world was filled with dangers and opportunities. Our ancestors evolved 3D, stereoscopic, full-color vision along with other sensory perception in order to navigate this world. This allowed them to avoid predators, catch prey, harvest and differentiate plants, and distinguish friend from foe. These powerful learning and perception abilities are with us today and can be utilized to improve learning and memory outcomes. There are a few keys to using a multisensory approach to learning and memory formation. The more senses used when learning and studying, the more memory pathways are formed and strengthened. The more memory pathways one has to a given piece of information, the greater the chance of connecting new learning to prior knowledge, which leads to greater understanding and more efficient consolidation. Each additional sense used in learning results in a greater likelihood of being able to recall the information from memory, as humans make memories for each sensory process. The different types of sense memories include visual memories, auditory memories, tactile or kinesthetic memories, meaning touch, smell memories, and taste memories. These sensory memories each involve different brain areas associated with those senses. This is what enables us to form different memory pathways for each sense. Humans also make powerful memories for emotional content and experiences. Combining an emotional context with multisensory learning and studying optimizes students' learning and enhances recall. It is therefore of vital importance that the learning environment be one of safety, positivity, and enthusiasm. Evolutionary forces have made humans become excellent visual learners. According to researcher Amishi Jha of the University of Miami, about 50% of the human brain deals with vision. Thus, our vision is our most powerful sense. However, learners need to use all of their senses to optimize learning. Here are some multisensory studying approaches that can enhance learning. The first is annotation. Annotation is the process of making notes in the margin of a text, highlighting important text, or creating a reference notebook for a text. This process helps the student to organize their thoughts, add additional information about the text, create questions, or highlight important sections of the text. This process is beneficial from a learning standpoint for two reasons. One, it makes the student a more effective reader and gives them reference points for future study or review. And two, the physical act of writing, involving both touch and movement, plus the use of sight, when combined with creating a summary in one's own words of what you are reading, creates a powerful multisensory learning practice. In a similar way to annotation, cognitive maps are another tool that combine visual and tactile learning to improve memory formation. The practice of drawing the map allows the students to organize their ideas, get a visual map of those concepts and ideas and how they relate, and creates tactile sense memories during the practice of creating the map. Just as with annotation and cognitive mapping, drawing diagrams or pictures of new information helps encode it into memory through both visual as well as tactile sense memories. According to James Zoll, professor of biology emeritus from Case Western Reserve University, images are the easiest thing for the brain to remember. Repeatedly drawing these diagrams or pictures from memory helps to organize ideas and concepts and is an excellent way to study and improve learning outcomes, especially for complex topics or multi-step processes. One of the greatest tools available to learners today is the ability to record and review lecture material at one's own pace. This allows the student to listen to the lecture and be fully engaged in the classroom, and to later review the lecture and take notes at their own pace. This combination of visual, auditory, and tactile sense memories for the information allows for deeper learning and improved memory formation, and removes the time restraints of a lecture. The practice of visualization while listening improves learning outcomes. When listening to a lecture or new information, keep the following things in mind for your visualization practice. Keep it detailed and clear. Close your eyes and start by imagining what you want to remember. Bring all the colorful details, shapes, sounds, and flavors. Pretend you are standing next to it or experiencing it, touching it, tasting it, smelling it. This practice will activate the various sensory areas of your brain and help you to create sense memories for the information, enhancing learning, memory formation, and recall. Smells are the most powerful memory cues humans have and are often overlooked as tools for enhancing the formation of memories from new learning. Associating a pleasant smell with a new learning event can trigger a memory of the event when the smell is present. One can also use a smell, such as lemon oil, when studying a given subject, and then use the smell as a cue during an examination. Simply place a small droplet of oil on the wrist, and the smell will help cue up the information you studied using that smell. It is important to use a different pleasant smell for each different subject being studied. Here is an overview of the information from this presentation. Evolution has made humans excellent multisensory learners. Using a multisensory approach to learning creates multiple pathways to memories. Multisensory studying approaches include annotation, cognitive maps, drawing pictures, and visualization. Record your lectures and practice active listening by taking notes at one's own pace using the techniques mentioned above. Smell is the most powerful sense cue tied to memory. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this information helpful.